Hi there, my name is Marnie Dow. I'm the Assistant Director for Student Involvement. I wanted to talk to our Registered Student Organization leaders, our RSO leaders, about elections. It's the time of year in the spring when a lot of our student organizations typically do elections for leadership and e-board positions. Now, with everyone doing all of their student engagement virtually right now, it would be easy to think that we can let those things go. But I really want to encourage you to think about how important it would be to still do your elections even if we're doing them remotely or digitally. We want to make sure that you all keep the momentum that you currently have. You all are doing great things on campus. And we wouldn't want you to lose any of that momentum for the next year by not setting yourselves up for success. And if you skip your elections, that's what might happen. So we really want to encourage you and remind you to still do elections. And then with that being said, we want to provide you some tools and tips and resources on how to do that. So there are a lot of ways that you can do your elections virtually. Did you know that you can actually do your elections through the Involvement Center? The Involvement Center, which is your online portal to all of our student organizations on campus, has this really great elections tool. So in the About section for this video, I'm going to put several tutorial links that will show you exactly how to use the Involvement Center for elections. But I just want to tell you about some reasons why we think you should use the Involvement Center. One of them is that the Involvement Center allows you to create ballots that can be open just to any student on campus, or can be limited to just the members who are currently in your roster for your student organization. Another benefit is that you have the ability to add photos to your candidate ballots so that the members can really kind of see and hear some stories about the individuals who are running for your officer positions. Also, the Involvement Center will automatically ensure that the only people who are voting in your elections are current students on campus. And it will also ensure that those who are voting are only voting once. It will also allow you to see your election results separate from the list of who has voted in your election. So you can see everyone who's voted and you can see what your results are, but two lists don't correlate. So there's no way to know who voted for who, but it is able to know who voted in general. So that's really helpful to the organization. And also it allows you to do runoff elections. So those are some really great tools that exist in the Involvement Center. But the Involvement Center is not the only platform you can use. We are encouraging you to do your elections no matter what platform is right for you. So sometimes that could be a doodle poll, a Google form, using SurveyMonkey, whatever technology you want to use, even if it's just email ballots, whatever technology you want to use. We just want to make sure you're remembering it's that time of year to do elections, not letting those slip through the cracks, even though things are a little uncertain right now in our current environment and climate. We really want to encourage you to continue engaging with your members, engaging with your leadership board, and through elections you can help ensure that you're setting yourself up for success in the next year. We don't know when things are going to return yet to kind of normal functions on campus, but we can continue to engage with each other and continue to move forward as student organizations. We're here to help you. The involvement team really wants to be a guide and a help for you. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can email us at involvement@unlv.edu, and we will happily get back to you, answer your questions, give you some advice, tips, tricks, whatever it is you're looking for. We're here to help you. Thanks, be well, and stay safe.